day ever. I just need to relax, that's all. I just really need to relax. Hey, Molly, what you doing? What you doing? I just came to mess around with you. Let me just sniff around, and then I'm gonna play with you. Is that okay? No! No way! You are not gonna play with me. You are not! I mean not gonna play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Please. Just please do not play with me. Okay. But I am going to play with you soon. I have had a tough day today. You're telling me I'm stuck in... You're telling me I'm stuck in here. I'm stuck in this cage. No fair. Well, it is fair because you're a pet. You are too, you idiot. You know that, right? You're such an idiot. Yeah, but I have improvements to be an idiot. I'm gonna kick your butt soon. Bye.